Okay, welcome back. It is day 208, I think, of coding every single day. Um, so today I was back in lab for like the first full day, and it feels like a while. We've had like something going on every single day. Even today there was something planned, and I kind of bailed on it because I was in a streak. That's not the word I'm looking for. Groove, I guess. So got a lot done today actually. I fixed character movement in my Unity scene. Got animations working a lot better and got autonomous movement done. So like the characters moving throughout the scene autonomously, going to different spots that I marked, and playing random emotes. It has like this decision function where at a particular place after a certain amount of time at each place, it'll just do like a dice roll of doing an ASD like motion or walking to a different area. So that's what I think I'm going to train on is something along those lines. And then ideally, my CSI information that I'm collecting from the ray traces, I'll be able to do. Hopefully, they're kind of realistic. I still have to talk with my mentor about that, and like before I start training, more like before I start doing data collection, I need to make sure the data is actually like similar to what we want, at the very least. So I don't know. So right now it's just about making sure that the data that I am creating synthetically is good and is a good idea and proof of concept to how CSI movement detection would be in a home for individuals with ASD. So yeah, that's where that's at. As for the leak code I did today, I clicked on one and then like paused and was like reading it over and thinking like how I'd do it, and it's just kind of cooked. I think it like involved like something that I don't know because like my original idea was like, oh, maybe I could like sort it, but also like keep the original indexes and then go through and like compare indexes, but it didn't make sense at all. It's definitely some type of search. I think I don't know. I'll look at it another day when it's not 11:30 at night and I am tired and want to go to bed. So yeah, so I ended up doing a coin like stare thing, which was just the most baby thing ever. It was just, oh, you have n coins. Each layer needs, I coins to be a proper layer. If you can't make a proper layer, then that doesn't count. So it's literally just like I'm pretty sure you could literally just do a math like single line thing and just figure out given n how many things you can make. But instead, I just looped through. Um, I looped through going like every single time I went to a new row, the row increased and you'd subtract the row from n. And so once n was either was below zero, then you'd like stop incrementing the row and then you return the row. So that was a solution. But yeah, that is all I have for today. So I will see you tomorrow for day 209. Yeah, okay. Take care. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.